Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 28th, 2021. Ethereum, can it top out at $10,000? Well, we're going to answer that question today on this particular video. Then we're going to update you all on our recent price prediction that we got going on right now on the chart for this particular cryptocurrency. As always, before I jump into all of this, if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure before you leave, if you appreciate our content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to our channel. We want to enlarge our community of individuals who's able to get in position and win against our opponent, which you guys can see down there on the bottom left side of my screen. He is the criminal. He's the crook. He's trying to set us up. He's trying to take our money. He is everything that we don't want to be. We need to make sure we take advantage of him and the places that he's trying to go. So make sure you follow us here on this particular channel. So now, can Ethereum reach $10,000? Of course it can, right? The only question that we can't answer is when, right? Don't nobody have that crystal ball to time the market to know exactly when Ethereum is going to hit $10,000. But apparently, from what we've been seeing overall in the cryptocurrency space, that is definitely something that can happen into the market for Ethereum, especially all the interest that has been garnered comparing it with the smart contract platform and the ability to have staking involved in their blockchain. So yeah, Ethereum, $10,000, of course it can hit that. Now let's just see how far away we are from a percentage basis to hit $10,000 from where we are right now in price. All right, so let me do this. So here we are right now trading around $3,249.50. For us to hit $10,000, the market would have to increase 207%. That's simple. You could get that relatively easy in the cryptocurrency space in a month's time frame. So it's definitely within the ballpark for the price of Ethereum to hit $10,000. But as I told you already, we don't know the time though. So for the long term, right? Yeah, the price in Ethereum can hit $10,000. And how this market is continuing to garner more interest and more people are coming on board with this particular blockchain, it's just going to be a matter of time before the price in Ethereum hits $10,000, right? So the question now that I'm posing to you is, are you getting prepared? Are you involved into the market in Ethereum right now? Are you in position to win once the price hits that $10,000 price? It's just that simple. Now, let me bring this back down. All right, let me come back to where the price currently is in the market for Ethereum. And let's see, are we still on course to see this price go higher? Because you can see we already got a price prediction on going into the market in Ethereum. August the 15th is our last price prediction. And you guys can see we told everyone to be prepared for the price in Ethereum to go higher. So far, it's on point. So far, the price in Ethereum is still harnessing strength. So we appreciate the market giving us this information day in and day out, because trust and believe, they are involved into this market very, very hard. They're trying to make sure that they can bring the buyers and the sellers together. And based on that, this is the result. You guys can see from where we've been back in July to where we are at now in Ethereum. Excellent, excellent. So far, everything looks great. So let me show you all the 3-day time frame in the market in Ethereum. Now, let me show you this, because a lot of people are not going to show you this. If they will, it's going to confuse the mess out of you, because they give you nothing but confusing technical indicators just to tell you where they think the price is going to go. So check this out. You guys can see that the market has been pumping brakes in Ethereum right there around $3,300, right? Why would that be the case? Why has the market seemed like it just completely stopped from going higher? We've endured this fantastic move all the way since the ending of July, and all of a sudden now we're pumping the brakes. Now we're just completely stopping. I wonder what would be the case. This is the answer right here. It's because there's a big wall of selling going on right here into the market in Ethereum that it literally just abruptly stopped the price from going higher. Simple. So as this process is going on, okay, as this process is going on right here, we need to make sure that the selling that is going on into the market in Ethereum does not impact the price decreasing. If the price doesn't decrease, then we understand that the market is consuming whoever is trying to sell their Ethereum into the market. And then the resumption of higher prices will continue. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than that. This is how you're able to read the price chart without using technical indicators. So be very careful of anyone who's trying to tell you to look at the RSI or the MACD or the Bollinger Band or the 200-day moving average crossed over the 500-day. This is the golden cross. This is the death cross. This is ridiculous. That's what it is. Just look at the price bars and the volume. It gives us all the information we need. We don't need anything else. So based off what we've been seeing over the last couple of trading days in Ethereum, I would state that the price or the market has been buying whoever has been selling because the price hasn't moved down. The price hasn't even decreased. So that lets me know that the trap has other places that he's trying to take the price, which in this situation is higher. All right. So now let me show you all what's going on the 5-day time frame in Ethereum, because you can see here that, yeah, we're pumping the brakes, right? This is just a different viewpoint of what the price has done into the market for Ethereum from a 5-day perspective. But as you can tell, we're not falling in price, which is great. Let me show you all the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame in Ethereum. The volume down here at the bottom has been decreasing as well, which literally means that the majority of the people who was trying to sell the market in Ethereum, they're pretty much out the way. And once they get out the way, the price in Ethereum is going to shoot up higher in price. So are you prepared for that? Are you ready to see the price in Ethereum go all the way up there towards its all-time highs around $4,400? Do you think that's going to happen? So let me do this. Let me go ahead and get rid of this line down here. And let me bring this back over to the daily real quick. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this prediction off right here. I want to clean it up. So if we were to get out right now, it's about 3%. All right, cool. No problem. Now let me go ahead and put on another one so we can follow the market right there. Now I'm still going to hold support down here on our horizontal line, which is around $2,880, $2,880. That is where I'm going to hold the market support. Now, how high do you think the price is going to go? No, seriously, how high do you think it's going to go in this next move higher? We would have to pay attention to this area right here. So what I'm seeing that the market can come and tag out at, first of all, this area here would be a small area of restriction, $3,425, give or take. So we need to be prepared to take some profits off the table right there, because they can literally push back down the price in Ethereum. Now I'm looking for the price to come up here towards 3,600 at least. All right. So let me go ahead and show you all that $3,600, which is around 10.75% right there. We can eat off that. You and I, we can eat pretty good off 10.25% movement in Ethereum. Okay. That would be our first area of TP. Now I'm going to extend this up just a tad higher towards $3,750. All right. So this is it. This is what we're expecting the market to do. This is how we're able to get ahead of everyone else. While everyone else is dwelling on past information, we are thinking on what's going to happen into the future right before the price gets there. You guys can see the price is not there yet, but we're expecting it to get there. So now I've given you all the updated price prediction into the market in Ethereum. I told you all, can the price for Ethereum hit $10,000? Now I want to know, drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you see the price in Ethereum going over the next 3 weeks? Where will the price be? Like right now, where do you think the price in Ethereum is going to be in 3 weeks? Because if so, if you think it's going to go there, you need to be in position already. You have to get there before anyone else even notices it, so that you can grab the bag, so that you can win and they lose. Hit me up, drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.